We're here at the 4th Annual Glaucoma Patient Summit, and joining me is
Richie Kahn from Durham, North Carolina.
Can you please tell us a little bit about yourself, Richie?
Sure. So I'm a patient advocate by training, clinical researcher by trade, and a couple years back I found out that I'm experiencing vision loss, so that's how I got connected with GRF.
When and how did you find out you had glaucoma?
Yeah, so I was actually working in ophthalmology back in 2019, so developing new glaucoma products, when a regular eye exam let us know that I was experiencing vision loss. So very much unexpected. The timing was fun. Working in that field, but I started out in advocacy. I was working in sales, so that's how I reached out to GRF and sunk my claws into the whole team, I suspect.
We love having you. What do you wish other people knew about visually impaired patients?
Well, I guess there are a couple different ways I'll answer that. Number one, I think just based on the volume of folks with vision loss and visual impairment, there's an excellent chance you know someone and you might not recognize it. There is a lack of understanding and awareness. I think often we assume incorrectly if you're legally blind, visually impaired, you've got the white cane, you've got the dog. I arguably should have both, but I don't yet. And then for doctors, just remember to be kind above and beyond everything else you're doing. You're conveying information that's going to be startling and surprising to a lot of patients. Do it with kindness and do it with empathy and take your time to listen and answer questions.
How can patients benefit from attending the Glaucoma Patient Summit?
I think number one, the ability to make connections with other patients is tremendous. You can build out a support system. Number two, it's all about education and learning. And number three, it's about sharing information you've learned with others that haven't had the same experience as you and haven't come across the same information yet. Ultimately, I think it's a great way to make those connections and learn how to be a more effective advocate.
Absolutely. It's a great opportunity to meet more patients, doctors, and see what's on the horizon.
Glaucoma is called the silent thief of sight for a reason. You don't know you have it, you don't have signs and symptoms. So when patients tend to find out, it's often when they've already experienced vision loss. So now it's about equipping yourself to slow or prevent progression of vision loss and hopefully helping others who come after you.
I love that point of view, actually. Thank you for helping us plan.
My pleasure.
It was great having you here.
Thanks so much for hosting. Appreciate it.